Have you been scammed by a restoration company before? Have you been in the situation when they promise you a lot of stuff and they don't fulfill that dream? Hello, my name is Nilo. I work at PureClean in the business development department. Today we're going to talk about how to select a proper restoration company. What are the red flags to look for? How to know if a restoration company is legit? And how to select the best restoration company for you. Don't worry about your insurance. We can take care of that later. This is just a scam. And actually, it takes 5 minutes to know what's going on. A legitimate restoration company will call your insurance company, step outside your property, and in 5 minutes, they will know what's covered and what's not covered about the claim. Don't worry, we can take care of that deductible.
Oh my goodness.
This is not true. They're trying to scam you. Think about it. The deductible is just a fraction of the total cost. They will never say anything like that unless they want to charge you later other fees. Don't worry, we have all the certifications needed and we're okay with the law.
Oof.
Nowadays, every construction company want to be a restoration company. That's just a scam. You need a lot of certifications and a lot of knowledge to do what we do. You can go into ircrc.org and check if they have a license or not. You can make that decision right now, or you can make that decision later. You have 2 years to make your claim.
Okay, got it. Okay.
You actually don't have a lot of time. Most of the policies, if you don't act within 15 days, you will get denied by your insurance company. That's why restoration is an emergency service.